I am happy. I am not happy. Am I happy?
I was happy. I was not happy. Was I happy?
I will be happy. I will not be happy. Will I be happy? I finish my work. I don't finish my work. Do I finish my work?
I finished my work. I didn't finish my work. Did I finish my work?
I will finish my work. I will not finish my work. Will I finish my work? I like apples. I don't like apples. Do I like apples?
I liked apples. I didn't like apples. Did I like apples?
I will like apples. I will not like apples. Will I like apples? He runs fast. He doesn't run fast. Does he run fast?
He ran fast. He didn't run fast. Did he run fast?
He will run fast. He will not run fast. Will he run fast? She has a cat. She doesn't have a cat. Does she have a cat?
She had a cat. She didn't have a cat. Did she have a cat?
She will have a cat. She will not have a cat. Will she have a cat? She eats breakfast. She doesn't eat breakfast. Does she eat breakfast?
She ate breakfast. She didn't eat breakfast. Did she eat breakfast?
She will eat breakfast. She will not eat breakfast. Will she eat breakfast? He speaks English. He doesn't speak English. Does he speak English?
He spoke English. He didn't speak English. Did he speak English?
He will speak English. He will not speak English. Will he speak English? We live in a city. We don't live in a city. Do we live in a city?
We lived in a city. We didn't live in a city. Did we live in a city?
We will live in a city. We will not live in a city. Will we live in a city? You wear glasses. You don't wear glasses. Do you wear glasses?
You wore glasses. You didn't wear glasses. Did you wear glasses?
You will wear glasses. You will not wear glasses. Will you wear glasses? They study at night. They don't study at night. Do they study at night?
They studied at night. They didn't study at night. Did they study at night?
They will study at night. They will not study at night. Will they study at night? I drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. Do I drink coffee?
I drank coffee. I didn't drink coffee. Did I drink coffee?
I will drink coffee. I will not drink coffee. Will I drink coffee? She reads a book. She doesn't read a book. Does she read a book?
She read a book. She didn't read a book. Did she read a book?
She will read a book. She will not read a book. Will she read a book? He drives a car. He doesn't drive a car. Does he drive a car?
He drove a car. He didn't drive a car. Did he drive a car?
He will drive a car. He will not drive a car. Will he drive a car? We cook dinner. We don't cook dinner. Do we cook dinner?
We cooked dinner. We didn't cook dinner. Did we cook dinner?
We will cook dinner. We will not cook dinner. Will we cook dinner? They clean the house. They don't clean the house. Do they clean the house?
They cleaned the house. They didn't clean the house. Did they clean the house?
They will clean the house. They will not clean the house. Will they clean the house? I learn Spanish. I don't learn Spanish. Do I learn Spanish?
I learned Spanish. I didn't learn Spanish. Did I learn Spanish?
I will learn Spanish. I will not learn Spanish. Will I learn Spanish? You play soccer. You don't play soccer. Do you play soccer?
You played soccer. You didn't play soccer. Did you play soccer?
You will play soccer. You will not play soccer. Will you play soccer? They watch a movie. They don't watch a movie. Do they watch a movie?
They watched a movie. They didn't watch a movie. Did they watch a movie?
They will watch a movie. They will not watch a movie. Will they watch a movie? I take photos. I don't take photos. Do I take photos?
I took photos. I didn't take photos. Did I take photos?
I will take photos. I will not take photos. Will I take photos? We travel to Paris. We don't travel to Paris. Do we travel to Paris?
We traveled to Paris. We didn't travel to Paris. Did we travel to Paris?
We will travel to Paris. We will not travel to Paris. Will we travel to Paris? They sell flowers. They don't sell flowers. Do they sell flowers?
They sold flowers. They didn't sell flowers. Did they sell flowers?
They will sell flowers. They will not sell flowers. Will they sell flowers? I choose a book. I don't choose a book. Do I choose a book?
I chose a book. I didn't choose a book. Did I choose a book?
I will choose a book. I will not choose a book. Will I choose a book? We plant a tree. We don't plant a tree. Do we plant a tree?
We planted a tree. We didn't plant a tree. Did we plant a tree?
We will plant a tree. We will not plant a tree. Will we plant a tree? You learn to dance. You don't learn to dance. Do you learn to dance?
You learned to dance. You didn't learn to dance. Did you learn to dance?
You will learn to dance. You will not learn to dance. Will you learn to dance? They write a story. They don't write a story. Do they write a story?
They wrote a story. They didn't write a story. Did they write a story?
They will write a story. They will not write a story. Will they write a story? I bake cookies. I don't bake cookies. Do I bake cookies?
I baked cookies. I didn't bake cookies. Did I bake cookies?
I will bake cookies. I will not bake cookies. Will I bake cookies? You wash the car. You don't wash the car. Do you wash the car?
You washed the car. You didn't wash the car. Did you wash the car?
You will wash the car. You will not wash the car. Will you wash the car? I call my friend. I don't call my friend. Do I call my friend?
I called my friend. I didn't call my friend. Did I call my friend?
I will call my friend. I will not call my friend. Will I call my friend? You marry Jane. You don't marry Jane. Do you marry Jane?
You married Jane. You didn't marry Jane. Did you marry Jane?
You will marry Jane. You will not marry Jane. Will you marry Jane? They build a house. They don't build a house. Do they build a house?
They built a house. They didn't build a house. Did they build a house?
They will build a house. They will not build a house. Will they build a house? I visit the park. I don't visit the park. Do I visit the park?
I visited the park. I didn't visit the park. Did I visit the park?
I will visit the park. I will not visit the park. Will I visit the park? You save money. You don't save money. Do you save money?
You saved money. You didn't save money. Did you save money?
You will save money. You will not save money. Will you save money? We attend a concert. We don't attend a concert. Do we attend a concert?
We attended a concert. We didn't attend a concert. Did we attend a concert?
We will attend a concert. We will not attend a concert. Will we attend a concert? She practices yoga. She doesn't practice yoga. Does she practice yoga?
She practiced yoga. She didn't practice yoga. Did she practice yoga?
She will practice yoga. She will not practice yoga. Will she practice yoga? Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!